Greetings, people. I'm gonna show you guys Beehive, and in Portuguese we call colmeia da abelha. Is it all the honey? All this thing is there. Some of them came here already expecting. I will not be here for so long, otherwise they will start to attack. You saw it? I hope you guys see it. Some of the bees came already to see, and I will not take it too long just to show you Kew Garden how the it is. It's one of the thing. Yes, we're going to have an all this capella. Okay, just to show you guys how it works. This is the first time I see one like this. É a primeira vez que eu vejo uma colmeia de abelha assim por perto cá em Inglaterra, porque normalmente I saw it in Africa, yeah, but never saw it in Europe, especially in England. So just to show you the first time I see it. The queen is inside. You know, if you remove the queen, it's all of the bees going to die without the queen, or they may will elect another one. I'm still making research about this because I still have a lot of learning on this, so it's good to share this with you. It's one of the things at the moment I'm still making research about this. Why? Okay, I share.